Hello everyone, and welcome back to another English lesson. In today's lesson, we're going to learn how to use some, any, no, and every in English. These words are very common in everyday conversations. They help us talk about people, things, and places in positive sentences, negative sentences, and questions. By the end of this lesson, you'll know when to use each word correctly and avoid common mistakes. So, let's begin. Some, any, no, and every. These words are called determiners. They're used before nouns or with words like someone, something, anywhere, and more. 1. Some. We use some in positive sentences. Examples. I have some milk. She bought some apples. We need some sugar. There are some students in the classroom. 2. Any. We use any in negative sentences and questions. Examples. I don't have any money. She doesn't have any brothers. Do you have any questions? Is there any water? 3. No. We use no to mean not any. Examples. I have no money. There is no milk. She has no friends here. We have no time. Remember. Cross mark, I don't have no money. White heavy check mark, I don't have any money. White heavy check mark, I have no money. 4. Every. We use every to talk about all people or things individually. Examples. Every student has a book. I exercise every day. Every room is clean. Every child received a gift. Indefinite pronouns. Someone/anyone/no one/everyone. Someone is at the door. Does anyone know the answer? No one is perfect. Everyone is happy. Something/anything/nothing/everything. I want something to eat. Do you need anything? I know nothing about it. Everything is ready. Somewhere/anywhere/nowhere/everywhere. I want to go somewhere. We can't find it anywhere. He has nowhere to sleep. You can find shops everywhere. Quick comparison. Positive negative questions. Some any. Someone no one anyone. Something nothing anything. Somewhere nowhere anywhere. Everyone. Common mistakes. Cross mark, I don't have some money. White heavy check mark, I don't have any money. Cross mark, is there some water? White heavy check mark, is there any water? Cross mark, I don't know nothing. White heavy check mark, I don't know anything. White heavy check mark, I know nothing. Memo lesson summary. Today we learned. Use some in positive sentences. Use any in negative sentences and questions. Use no to mean not any. Use every to talk about all people or things individually. Learn and practice someone, anyone, no one, everyone, something, anything, nothing, everything, and somewhere, anywhere, nowhere, everywhere. Clapperboard conclusion. Excellent work. Now you know how to use some, any, no, and every correctly in everyday English. Practice making your own sentences and review this lesson regularly to become more confident in speaking and writing English. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new English lesson. See you in the next lesson. Glowing star.